How much is a Hisense LED TV? 32 inches. A 32-inch Hisense LED TV is a compact and affordable option, ideal for smaller spaces like bedrooms, kitchens, or dorm rooms. The price of a 32-inch Hisense LED TV typically varies based on features such as HD or Full HD resolution and Smart TV capabilities. 1. Price range of Hisense 32-inch LED TVs. The cost of a 32-inch Hisense LED TV generally falls within the following range. Basic HD models, price between $120 to $180. Full HD models, usually range from $150 to $220. Smart TVs, with built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, and voice control, these are priced between $170 to $250. 2. Different Hisense 32-inch LED models and their pricing. Hisense offers several models in the 32-inch category. A 4 Series, entry-level models with HD resolution and basic features, priced from $120 to $170. H55 Series, full HD models with improved picture quality, typically priced between $150 to $200. Smart TV models. These models with integrated Roku TV or Android TV functionality are priced from $180 to $250. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Hisense 32-inch LED TV is influenced by resolution. Full HD models tend to cost more than basic HD models. Smart TV functionality. Models with built-in streaming apps or smart features usually cost more. Sound and picture quality. Enhanced sound systems and display technology may add to the price. 4. Where to buy a Hisense 32-inch LED TV. Hisense 32-inch LED TVs can be found at major electronics retailers, department stores, and online marketplaces. Prices may vary based on store promotions and stock levels. 5. Best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Hisense 32-inch LED TV, consider buying during holiday sales. Look for discounts during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other seasonal promotions. Clearance events. Older models may be available at a reduced price when newer versions are introduced. Retailer-specific sales. Many stores offer deals during special events or end-of-season sales. A 32-inch Hisense LED TV is an affordable and compact option, with options for HD, Full HD, and smart features. By comparing models and taking advantage of sales, you can find the best deal for your space and budget.